I'm going to take your speaking test. I hope that you are ready for that. And a very good morning today.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, sir. How do
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. What's your full name?
My full name is Tanbir Islam Rifat. So my friends and my family members love to call me Tanbir, so you may call me Tanbir.
Tanvi, where are you from?
Sir, I'm from Chittagong, sir, which is most famous for sir seaport and Ragamathi and Cox's Bazaar, then Bandarban, Kaptai, sir.
Okay. So what's your future plan?
Actually, my future plan, inshallah, I will be good businessman in my locality, inshallah, sir.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Great. What does your father do?
Actually, my father is a businessman in my locality.
And what does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife, sir.
Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar?
Yes, sir. I visited 3 times Cox's Bazar, sir.
Yeah, from Chittagong, just 3 times he went to Cox's Bazar.
Because, sir, it's nearby me. That's why I.
You don't have any emotion.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any plan to go abroad?
Inshallah, first of all, if I get a chance, inshallah, I will go to abroad. My favorite country is UK. So, inshallah, after finishing my course, I talked to my father for my IELTS. For inshallah, if I able to IELTS exam, so inshallah, I will go UK, sir.
UK.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to talk to you. First of all.
Sorry.